Hey, this is Killian. He is not quite 16 weeks old now. We're going to fire him up and let you see what he's got in the protection. It's a super cute puppy. It's going to get darker as he goes along. He's got an older sister named Josie, so you can sort of see, what he's going to look like and where he's going to go as he matures. Very physically tough, mentally tough, young dog. Once again, not quite 4 months old. He's just got everything you want in a puppy. We've got some good puppy obedience video of him from several weeks back. That's obviously improved. He's in a nice puppy raiser home. Katie's one of the best, so you can be guaranteed to get a lot of great experience, socialization, handling from this puppy. He's been exposed to cats and other dogs and livestock. Once again, very mentally and physically tough young dog. Bring it any way you want to bring it. Once again, just a baby. 12, 13 weeks, 14 weeks, so you can't ask for anything more. Tons of possession. Once again, this is all prey drive. Just confident. Loves to play this game. Chase it, grab it, bite it. Nothing scares him. Big giant man with a clattering stick. Got good calm grips, nice deep possession, just crushing into that little puppy sleeve, tail's just wagging away. So that's Killian, not quite 16 weeks old.